Lara on WNYC, live in the Greene Space.
Bro, I'm a black man and I can't be racist.
See, and my dad is a black man, but you don't think he's black enough?
I think what's so important is, yes, of course, we want to know about powerful people. We're not seeing a lot of women in different industries, women who are not famous, abusers who are not famous.
Somebody has figured out what black is. Mm-hmm. Well, I'm black and I haven't figured that shit out. So it's just like...
Artistically, we are free because we're free up here. But, freedom of expression is the harder part. And that's where I think the trappings can be.
I'm wondering if I'm really able to say everything that I think these days.
Originating a role is incredibly challenging, but recreating a role is fun too.
You have to go from an impression to a creation.
Such a fascinating period, and she was such a fascinating woman that research was just a joy.
Many of these Confederate monuments and memorials were placed at the height of the Jim Crow era. Many of them were put in the early 1900s and 1920, including the one in Charlottesville.
Ladies and gentlemen, Tanya Pinkin.
Me fui de Cuba en 1993.
I don't know if I said stop exactly, but it was clear that I wanted him to stop because I was trying to pull my leg down off of his.
These men and future generations of their progeny will remain grateful for the oath they swore to the judge.
One day after pool, I'm in a locker room, and I hate the locker room. There's always gotta be guys fucking whipping each other with wet towels.
Let me tell you, not everyone was ready for a little black girl to integrate their space.
I'm here tonight living testimony of what Mozart would have looked like if he had lived into his 40s and moved to Park Slope.
What's up, New York? Make some motherfucking noise! You were on Dancing with the Stars.
That was one of my worst moments. But you know what? I did it.
Hey, fuck y'all too. What is this all about?
Black women were either seen as hypersexual or sexually invisible, and there's not a lot of room in between.
Everything that we say is completely and utterly innocent, and the filth is all in you.
There is still the fascination that a person who is doing and saying the things he's saying could get away with them over and over and over again.
One of the things about a project like this, just revealing how messy it is, right? It's messy.
He's thinking about not going to jail. That's a space, that's taking space in his mind away from other things that teenagers get to think about, right? Music, hanging out with their friends, dates or whatever it is, school.
Do you want to tell us a little bit of a story about feeling like 35 was like the end of fertility?
How proud were your parents that you were the co-founder of a sex toy company?
Not very.
If you're gonna sit here and tell me that you have some standard that doesn't include putting Alex Jones in a Hannibal Lecter mask, then I think your argument is suspect.
Said I called you on the phone, I tell you you ain't acting right. Don't wanna be alone, baby, what you doing tonight?
Run up in my lane, I don't want you in my lane, you a lane, get swerved. Cause Gracie.
As the sun takes the shade, run away, it's alright. Can someone tell me why?
From sin and death now saved, tu te sentiras la joue égratignure.